Check the sound, turn the level up. From the desktop to the heavens, fill your cup. Newmine on the scene, yeah, the BT60PLUS. This ain't just a speaker, it's a must discuss. Little box, big boom, that's the Newmine vibe. USB connected, feel the low end try. Crystal highs, deep low, shaking up the place. Got that powerful sound right in my space. For the game, for the stream, for the late night mix, this is the only fix. Tiny on the desk, don't let the size fool ya. Hit play and the bass becomes a ruler. Wider connection, no delay, no confusion. Total audio immersion is the final solution. From work mode to gamer mode, with a single click, makes every moment feel so slick. Little box, big boom, that's the Newmine vibe. USB connected, feel the low end try. Crystal highs, deep low, shaking up the place. Got that powerful sound right in my space. For the game, for the stream, for the late night mix, this is the only fix. Forget the weak, the tinny, the plain. This is the sound that's running through your veins. Plug and play, it's really that simple. Watch your setup become a prime example. Newmine BT60PLUS, get yours.
Solo get bass, no fade.
Get yours.
Get yours.